You've been in a car accident in California. It's disorienting, adrenaline is high, and it's easy to skip steps that later matter. This is a clear checklist to protect your health and your injury claim. Let's walk through it, one step at a time. First things first, stay safe. If you can move out of traffic without putting yourself at risk, do it. Call 911 if anyone is injured or if the crash is blocking the road. Get medical care soon, even if you feel fine. Adrenaline hides injuries. Next, document everything. Take photos of the vehicles, the damage, the road, skid marks, and any traffic lights or signs. Exchange information, names, phone numbers, insurance, license plates, and driver's licenses. If there are witnesses, get their names and numbers before they leave. And don't argue about fault at the scene. In the first day or two, follow up with a doctor, even if the ER cleared you. Soft tissue injuries often show up later. Before you contact any insurance company, yours or theirs, talk to an attorney first. Start a file. Keep medical bills, notes for missed work, repair estimates, and rental receipts. And stay off social media about the accident or your injuries. Those posts can be used against you. A few common mistakes can hurt your claim. Don't admit fault at the scene. Stick to the facts. Don't talk directly to any insurance company before you have legal advice. Not your carrier and not theirs. And don't give a recorded statement to any insurer, your own carrier or any other. Don't rush to cash an early settlement check. Those offers rarely cover ongoing treatment or future care. When should you call an attorney? Even after a small fender bender. If you want the best outcome, get advice early. Call if you're hurt, if liability is disputed, or if an insurer is lowballing you. The size of the crash doesn't matter. The Kalantaryan Law Group handles the insurance company so you can focus on healing, and you pay nothing unless we win. If you were hurt in a California crash, talk to an attorney before you settle. It costs nothing to ask. The Kalantaryan Law Group offers free consultations. Call 818-945-0900 or visit kalantaryanlaw.com. This video is attorney advertising, general information, not legal advice. Every case is different.